guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today is December 3, as you all know. Unfortunately, I don't know what I'm going to vlog about today, but I'm going to Mandeville. I'm not sure if I'll be vlogging while at Mandeville because I'm just going to do one thing and come back home. It's now 12:30 and I'm still in my nice clothes, so I'm going to get ready and go to Mandeville. Now, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I would like to say thank you to everyone that has been watching my Vlogmas thus far. And I would like to say, please continue watching and don't forget to share with your friends and your family so that they can enjoy their Christmas with me also. And I would like to say a big up, big up to my YouTube family that I met this year. So I would like to say big up to Tuff, Kimmel, Trish, Adrian, Alton, Cher. Who else? I'd like to say big up to Casey, Jardine, the Robinson family. There is a lot. I would like to say big up to everyone that I met this year through YouTube. I'm really grateful for you guys. You motivate me. And special big up to Kimmel. Yes, life off. It's off or as life of Kimmel, or as Kimmel 1 out of the 2. She is the one who motivated me to do Vlogmas because I was contemplating really hard. I did not say it to anyone. And she texted me on December 1st and asked if I was doing Vlogmas, and I was really hesitant about it as I did not have any intro. I did not have any idea of what I was going to record. I was just blank, and she just sparked a bulb in me and I decided to do Vlogmas, and I'm enjoying it thus far. What did they big old up to? Anyways, I would like to say big up to all of my YouTube family. I know that I've missed out a lot of names, but I can't remember all of the names. I've stopped. Let me see. I've lost connection with some persons, but big up to yourself if you as the video. Yeah, big up to yourself. Justine, big up yourself. My YouTube little brother. Who else? Tabitha and Gio, big up on yourself. Big up everybody. I can't list everybody, but on yourself. And I would like to say big up to you guys. Just continue supporting me, and I'll continue supporting you. And let's enjoy Christmas. I'll see you soon. I'm leaving for Mandeville now. I'm going to get to you guys later. I'm not sure if it's when I'm at Mandeville or when I reach home. My knee feels so like my copy. Anyways, we'll talk soon. Later. I'm finally come on the vlog. So tonight we are doing steamed fish. Steamed fish in coconut sauce. So we're going to use the sachet coconut milk. Wait, so I can show you face. So this is my lovely mother looking at camera. So it's not me cooking tonight. I don't know, say from where the steamed fish if we have the okra. So me now go eat.
But me love it.
Yeah, and daddy I eat that.
Mine I eat it. kind of fish
I don't know what type of fish.
that? Fish.
Yellowtail snapper and I don't know what the other one name be. So they are seasoned already by my lovely mother.
Oh.
And she's cutting up the okra. Okra or okra?
I don't know. Any one of them.
Comment down below if you eat okra.
If you don't eat it, you don't miss out enough things.
I don't miss out nothing.
No tomato in there.
So what that?
Pepper. Red pepper.
Made it fancy. And that is water. Yeah, the put in the fish now.
I'm going to put it in this.
And now it's time to add the coconut milk. You know, remember not milk, you know? Who wants to sponsor me a blender? And remember to make your coconut milk cook so no belly no hot enough. No say go mommy?
Make it cook good. I had my butter in there already.
Yeah, she did fry up this something with the butter.
I had little
Powder seasoning.
curry. I should not put none. You want curry now?
Oh yeah, ask me say you must not say no one curry. Not no more curry.
I'm not curry but me cook.
You're too ring.
Yeah, me take off.
I'm gonna take off for you.
No, but I beg none though. This I just see how much are we?
5 or
5 are we?
a 5? 5. Tough you not get none. Come know say you go big.
So me gonna cover it.
Adrian.
I'm gonna put this in there.
So the okra not going there yet. She's going to
something in it.
and a black pepper that you know?
Little seasoning.
That's a name Maggie that I
Yes, I will use seasoning fish and leave it. Maggie and the other seasoning. Mix up in it.
In Jamaica, we don't use salt and pepper to season our fish. We use powder seasoning with salt and pepper go. You mommy?
So I will cover it, make it go and cook.
For how much minutes? 5?
About 10 minutes. You want to cook that make it cook good.
Okay, so we'll be back
In 10 minutes.
in the next 10 minutes. So go and go watch 2 cartoon and subscribe if you haven't as yet. Click that notification bell and we'll be having our fish with some sweet potato and some dumplings
and pumpkin.
and pumpkin. Wish I did rice now.
You want to cook rice?
No, sir, cook, yeah, cook.
No, go with rice.
Cockroach, you never start with it. You hear the phone?
Start now.
Yes, so guys, she placed the okra in the pot. The change of camera quality is because I changed the phone that I'm using to video. And she's putting in the fish now.
And the smallest one is for Tina.
What a fish it is.
Then I go saute some.
Then I saute it.
Maybe
Yeah, add the sauce.
you add the sauce on it up. Saute, I really want it.
How long you make this take?
One thing there.
Fish does not take long to cook, guys.
So I'm gonna close it back now. Make it stay for 10 minutes. It don't take long.
And we'll be back when it's ready. I don't want nobody in my comment section to talk about when I never use this type of fish and that the type of fish they. Me use anything I want to use and me use what I have. So don't come in the comment section and do no negative bad mind self. Okay? And if you know say you got thumbs down my video, just click off for now. Even though you reach near to the end, just click off for now. And nobody watch no more my video then if you know say you're a hater. Thank you. So it's 10 minutes now and I just turned off the pot. Smell good, you see? I wish I could have tasty. Tough me change my mind. I wish I could have tasty. Smell good, man. Anyways, I'll show you it when it's plated and everything. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Dinner is served, guys. So this is it. Don't mind the small fish in my brother plate. You know, like fish, so I just give one small one. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.